When the weather gets nasty, the last thing you want to do is trudge outside for more firewood. With a firewood or log holder, a supply of seasoned firewood stays indoors with you. You can replenish the fire and stay warm and toasty by the flames. In this video, eFireplaceStore will show you all you need to know about log holders. The specialists at eFireplaceStore are certified by the National Fireplace Institute, which means theirs is the knowledge you should trust when it comes to your hearth appliance. Why do you need a log holder? People buy log holders for two reasons. One, they've gotten tired of making trips outside in the rain or snow to get more firewood. Or two, they want a decorative addition for their hearth. If you live in a harsh climate, it doesn't take much to imagine that you might not feel like going outside for more firewood. But even if you don't, log holders like andirons and tool sets give your hearth area a more authentic, complete, and inviting look. How do you use a log holder? Harnessing the benefits of a fireplace log holder is as simple as putting logs in it and waiting for the next chilly night. Fireplace log holders typically require very little or even no assembly. The main thing you'll need to be aware of is log size. Most holders are designed for wood cut into 18 to 22-inch lengths, so while they'll fit, longer logs may be a nuisance. Also, be careful not to stack your wood too high, since your stack could fall or tip over. What do log holders look like? Not surprisingly, there's a large variety of log holder styles. It's fun to have so many options, but the choices can be overwhelming. You'll find simple, U-shaped racks that cradle the logs. These usually hold the logs at least a few inches above the floor. Some models have removable leather or canvas carriers to make transport between your woodpile and your fireplace even easier. Still another option is oval basket-style holders. These are made of metal and come in a variety of finishes. Their classic shape makes an excellent choice for traditional decors, but their simplicity works well with a modern vibe too. No matter your home's aesthetic, there's a log holder that's right for you. How do you care for a log holder? Most log holders are very durable and designed to last many years. Maintenance is relatively simple, but ignoring the proper care could significantly shorten the lifespan. Here are some things to remember. Any excessive moisture, like from wet or snowy logs, can rust and damage the metal parts of your log holder. So, keep your outdoor woodpile covered and only store dry, seasoned wood inside. Don't overload your firewood holder with logs. You don't want to risk damaging it by bending it out of shape. And always keep your log holder a safe distance away from your fireplace. You don't want any flying sparks to ignite the dry firewood or the canvas sling. Log holders are a great way to add both style and convenience to your hearth area. Be sure to check out our full-length buyer's guide at eFireplaceStore.com. And for help navigating our selection of log holders, our customer service team is just a phone call or email away. Thanks for watching.